Yeah, I cracked my Pixel. Just wanted to make a quick video about that. Kind of sucks, but I mean on an iPhone. I will be fixing it today. I will take you through that process. It's pretty easy. $9 a month for the device protection or whatever. Okay, this is recording off the Pixel. The first one I think was an iPhone 12. If you want to compare footage or something, I don't know. But the Pixel, it has this weird, very weird, like it drops, like it's frames. It's weird when you're recording. So like it like skips a couple frames. It's very weird. So I'm headed to the shop to repair my phone right now, and I can't record it because they'll be using this phone. But yeah, let's go repair it. It's like $40 compared to repairing it myself, which would be like $200 for the screen, shipped to my house. So yeah, let's go get it. It's like $40, $9 a month, and then charge you a deposit fee, which is like 29 bucks. So yeah. Okay, I am here back at the iFixit. I said iFixit. You break it, I fix it, please. They repaired it in like 2-3 hours. So yeah. Look at it. Yes, sir. Nice. Works. Nice. I just want to do some pointers. And thank you guys for watching the video. But I never ever broke a phone that in 2 weeks. Never in my life. It's crazy. This phone's been very weird to own. Terrible battery life, and I don't know. Google, please fix your phone. But it's overall, it's an okay phone. But and I love the cameras as well. But yeah, thanks for watching. What else I want to say? Preferred care is definitely worth it. $9.99 or $9 a month is definitely worth it compared to fixing yourself. It'll cost me like $200, like I said. And yeah, I should also look at all the footage. The iPhone footage is absolutely terrible because Apple, it's so hard to transfer videos to an Android device. So it was emailed to me, and it just destroyed the quality. But yeah, it's also interesting how the OnePlus 7 Pro still holds up from 2019 to 2022 compared to all the different devices. And I also put this one in too. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.
Like and subscribe.